Do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. Clearly she's excited. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. This is Tita, and we always do our Boxycharm and Ipsy videos together. We also have some pretty big news. We are doing a giveaway. I will go over all the details at the end of the video, but we are giving away the Tardiest Pro palette and also an organic coconut sugar scrub that we will be selling eventually, but we're still working on the packaging and everything, and this is what we've got so far. But these two things will be in the giveaway, and I will go over how to enter the giveaway at the end of the video. So if you want to enter, then stick around. And let's just go ahead and get into our box. You got some other makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this month is, I don't know, Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, Slumber. I'll check the weight because I forgot to check the weight. I'll check the weight and I'll put that in the description. But this is 7 heart. 7 heart. Anyway, the first thing I see is, here you go. The first thing I see that looks interesting is the Violet Boss Essentials 2 Palette Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. This is $36. 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss, provide all day hues you need to create soft glam, blah, blah, blah. Let's check this out. I feel like I saw this when I was looking at their website, at Boxycharm's website, but I do not remember. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, this actually has some really pretty purples in there. I probably wouldn't use the blue. I feel like I'm just not in that age range anymore. But it's a really pretty palette. I honestly, I don't know. I would probably use the browns in here, but I have a lot of palettes that already have, oh no, I love this shirt and somebody already got their dinner on it earlier. Dang. Yeah, the browns and this copper, that's actually called copper. I like these colors, but I have palettes that already have these colors that I would use. So we are gonna put this to the side for another giveaway. So if you're interested in this palette, stay tuned. We do also have a Laura Geller palette that's gonna be in another giveaway soon. But this is really nice, and I think somebody else who would use all of these colors would get a lot of use out of this. What? No, you don't need your whole caboodle. How about just this Sephora eyeshadow palette of yours?
Yeah.
That's a really pretty eyeshadow palette too. The next thing we have, get a brush, okay. The next thing we have is Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, excuse us, Triple Action Hydronic.
Oh.
You okay? Are you okay? You gotta be careful, okay?
Okay.
Hydronic serum, all types of skin. This is, oh no, I don't want it on my eye, please. Oh, no. Shh, 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 shh. This one is $45. Greet the day with glowing skin. I'm gonna keep this one for myself because I want glowing skin. Hydro Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hydronic acid formula, blah blah blah, glowing skin. So I am going to keep this. You have a lot going on today. I don't know where your brush went. Go find another one. Oh, it's right here. Okay. She is, y'all know we just roll with the punches over here. I got a lot of kids, so I'm used to that. Let's smell it. Oh God, I got it on my nose. It actually smells really good though. It smells really good. I like the smell. I almost wonder if it will work because it doesn't smell like chemical medicine type of smell. It smells nice though, so I like that. The next thing we have is Clarins Paris O2 Velvet Lip Perfector in Violet Rosewood. Let's see, this one is $26. I feel like that's a lot. I don't know. It's not really. $20 seems like average lipstick price to me, so I don't know. Best selling, Natural Lip Perfectors Go Bold with a new matte finish, weightless. Can you, don't get it on my shirt. I love this shirt. Let's see. I don't know if it's this color. Probably won't use it.
Can I have it?
I was gonna give it to somebody. Yeah, especially if it's, is it gonna be this color? I don't. It's a squeezy top.
Ooh.
I want to swatch it and see, but then if I don't like it, I would have wanted to have put it in a giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. If I don't like it, then I will put it in the box that I'm putting together for my niece. Okay, well, this is not my kind of color. Now that I got my lips done, it might be my kind of color. I'm not super big on, oh, no. Not super big on mattes. You want me to put this on you?
Yeah, I want to hold it.
No, let Mama do it. Let Mama do it, because I don't want you to squeeze a lot out. Your lips are really dry. I don't think you need a matte lipstick. There you go. Just,
Mom,
oh yeah, that's nice, girl.
can I have it now?
No. Why don't you just play with the makeup you have? Probably won't use this color, honestly. It's like red, but almost a pinky red. And I feel like I kind of want to get into red. Oh, you showing everyone?
Yeah.
That's a nice palette. Gotta open it on the other side. There you go. I will probably put this away for my niece since I swatched it, and hey, y'all won't want that. Oh, and I put it on her too. It might look good on my niece, I don't know. But sister, if you're watching this video, let her know I am getting a box together for her with stuff. The next thing is, let's just go over the things she pulled out. Most of y'all know you got to pick this. Oh yeah, girl. Oh, you look good. Look at her, y'all. Oh, hi, Poppy. Hi. You got to pick this. I like rushed in when I realized that I just picked like a shade. I didn't do any research. I don't have their Born This Way concealer. I do have their foundation, and when I'm going for like a night out, which isn't often, but I want like a nice face, I use their Born This Way foundation. So I was pretty excited about this, but I just picked anything for the concealer because I didn't want them to run out. Y'all who have Boxycharm, y'all know how it can be. So this is $29. I got it in, what is this, shortbread. I got it pretty light. When I do like my under eye highlight, I go like light, you feel me? Like I want like contour, highlight, all of that. So this is shortbread. Cal, I'm totally using this. Like when I saw this, I'm in the Boxycharm group on Facebook. It's a pretty cool group. If you're in that group, let me know in the comments. But somebody posted like, oh, you know, you can pick your choice, or did you get to pick your choice yet, or whatever. And I was like, what, girl? So I rushed over and hurry up and did that. Okay, nope, this is the last thing that we have. It is Real Her. R-E-A-L-H-E-R, Real Her. I don't know. I am inspiring. Definer Brow Pencil. This is $16, long-lasting micro tip pencil. Allows you to create individual. You have a, no. We're giving this palette to somebody else. No, ma'am. Use the ones that you have, please. Yeah. Come sit down.
Mama.
This is vegan, waterproof, cruelty-free, very thin. It's a very thin pencil. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Here.
What? Ooh. Lipstick.
So it has a little spoolie thing on there. And then, oh yeah, it's like super thin with a little spoolie.
Mama,
It's in brown.
my lipstick.
I know, well, that's because you've ruined it. Oh, wrong end. Duh. I'll try this. I'm gonna try this. because I might like it. So we're gonna test this one out. Oh, looks good. Oh no, you keep that for yourself, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, y'all. Let's talk about the giveaway. If you've stuck around this long, then you're probably interested in the Tarteist Pro palette.
Mom,
I did get this from Boxycharm when the Boxylux came out. Before they sent this to, I think, everybody, and mine was broken, so they actually sent me another one, and I'm just keeping the broken one. And they sent me one, and it's not broken, so this is the one that I will be giving away. This is the one I'll be giving away, along with the organic coconut sugar scrub. So to enter, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel.
I want to do makeup.
Okay, do your makeup. Follow our Instagram. It will be linked below. And then go ahead and in the comments, shh, in the comments, leave your Instagram or handle or whatever you want to call it. Leave that in the comments so that I can DM you when we pick a winner. We will pick a winner. I always say this 2 weeks from today, and I never even know what that day actually is. So I will also put that in the description. 2 weeks from today, and then that's in the description. Also, let me just say that this is only open to people in the US because I have to ship it myself, and that would be pretty costly for me to ship it outside of the US. But I'm pretty excited, and we are trying to do these giveaways every month. I slowly collect things from Ipsy and Boxycharm and just randomly that we don't necessarily need or use, or someone else could probably get a lot more use out of them. So every month we will be having a giveaway, and somebody won last month, and she was super nice. She got back to me. I also sent her a sugar scrub. You look very pretty. I didn't tell you that I sent you the sugar scrub also, so I hope you like it. I forgot to mention that to you. If you see this video, one of these are coming in the mail also. But anyway, let's go ahead and end this since we've gone over everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck in the contest. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!